Hello everyone, welcome back to Unit Data Analytics. In this video, we will learn how to create and format stack column chart in Power BI. In previous video, we created column chart to display sales by region. Now we want to take it a step further and analyze sales by product category within each region. For this, stack column chart is a perfect visualization. Start by clicking on stack column chart visual from the visualization pane. Let's expand it a bit to adjust its size for a better visibility. Next, let's drag region to horizontal x-axis and add cells to vertical y-axis. By default, Power BI will display the sum of cells. You can modify this aggregation to average, minimum or maximum depending on your needs. Let's now bring in product category into the legend field to create stack column chart. As soon as we add it, you will notice that chart is divided into the three different colors, one for each product category. The legend at the top defines each category and its corresponding color. Let's format the chart for better readability. We will adjust x-axis and y-axis parameters such as font size, font style to make labels more readable. Let's turn on data labels to display values directly on bars. We can experiment with the label placement inside or outside the bar or a horizontal or vertical alignment for the better presentation. Let's enable total labels to display the total sales value on top of each bar. Under the general section, we can adjust the visual titles, font size and placement. Let's set a title to appear at the top center of the chart. If you want to customize the bar colors, for example, technology orange color is not matching with our reports blue theme. So for that, what we can do is we can go to format visual, click on columns, select the technology category, and we can choose the theme color as we need. I'll set it to the blue theme. That's it. Your stack column chart is ready. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Unit Data.